Welcome back fellow Python enthusiasts. Today I have an existing tutorial for you. We are going to learn how to install Anaconda for Jupyter Notebook, a powerful tool that will supercharge your Python programming experience. So let's dive right in. First things, let's understand what Anaconda and Jupyter Notebook are. Anaconda is a popular Python distribution that comes built with various libraries and packages essential for data science and machine learning. Jupyter Notebook, on the other hand, is an interactive coding environment that allows you to create and share documents containing live code, visualization, and explanatory text. It's a fantastic tool for practicing Python and exploring data. To get started, we need to download and install Anaconda. Follow along as I guide you through the process step by step. The first step is to visit the Anaconda website, which is anaconda.com. Once you are there, look for the download section and select the appropriate installer for your operating system, whether it's Windows, Mac OS, or Linux. After clicking the download button, the installer file will start downloading. Depending on your internet speed, this may take a few moments. Once the download is completed, locate the installer file on your computer and run it. Follow the on-screen instructions to begin the installation process. Make sure to read the prompt carefully and select the recommended options. During the installation, you will have the option to choose the installation location, add Anaconda to your system path, and select whether to make Anaconda your default Python distribution. It's generally recommended to leave these options at their default setting. Once the installation is complete, now launch Anaconda Navigator. A new browser window will open showcasing the Jupyter Notebook interface, and there you have it. Anaconda and Jupyter Notebook are now successfully installed on your system. You are ready to unleash the power of Python and starting practicing your coding skills in a whole. Okay, that's right. Thanks for watching. We hope you found this video informative and helpful. If you have any questions or suggestions for the future topics, please leave them in the comment below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel for more SQL Server tips and tutorials, and hit the notification bell to stay updated. Until next time, happy coding.